How to promote your website and improve traffic. You've finally set up your website with some content to start affiliate marketing. But is that all you've got to do? How do you get people to visit your website and click on your affiliate links? Remember, more traffic equals more prospects, and more prospects equal more sales. So, how can you promote your website and improve traffic as an affiliate? 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engines host various websites, and the websites with good SEO will rank first. Ranking first means that they get seen first. Keywords are crucial to good SEO as they guide the search engine in recognizing whether your website content will help a particular audience. So, conduct keyword research on the products you promote and tailor your blog posts to fit the product niche. 2. Email marketing. Once you have new subscribers, build trust by sending valuable content to them. Over time, you can recommend the products to them. For instance, if your welcome email series explains how to run an online business, do not promote your products on the first email. Prioritize building trust with your audience. 3. Guest posting. Here, you get together with other content creators in a similar niche as yours. Remember, you want to get into the faces of the right people, and not just anybody. Here's how you can start. Identify the blogs that create similar content to yours. Be sure that they have quality content and a sizable audience. Reach out to them by email or phone to know whether they receive guest posts. If they do, go from there. 4. Blog articles. Here is another way to get more people coming back. Blog posts are excellent for publishing guides, product reviews, and educational articles in your niche. 5. Social media. You should publicize your website on social media if your audience is actively there. For example, if you promote products for millennials, use social media. Social media is a wonderful tool for engaging with your audience, providing value, and recommending products to them. 6. Paid advertising. This is the last on our list because it's not economical for those starting out. Weigh the commission earned with the advertising costs. If your online ad costs $30 while you're making $25 on each sale, that's not a good bargain. However, the best thing with paid advertising is that it gets to a targeted audience. You're sure that your ads reach the right people and more people visit your website. That wraps things up for the video today. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later.